You can expect a lot from the 2018 Toyota Yaris IA. This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.